south these three classic replicas of a very, very important part in world history, World War I and the sadness